Hey guys, welcome back to our channel and thanks for the support on our first video. So, in this video, we are going to see about the Student Ambassador program offered by Microsoft. So, without any delay, let's get into the video. So now on the screen you can see the website called Microsoft Learn Student Ambassador. This is an internship kind of program for which anyone can apply. I'll guide you guys throughout the registration process in this video. Now, talking about the benefits, there are a lot of benefits in this program. Like you will get certificates from Microsoft, you can get access to the events that are conducted by Microsoft. You can also participate in various workshops and webinars conducted by Microsoft. The best part is that you will get a chance to work with the team of Microsoft during the period of internship. Now, let's see how to apply for this internship. The link is available in the description. Click on that link. It will drop to the page which is shown on the screen. This is an official page of Microsoft. There are no third party involved in this. You can see apply now. Click on that option. As you can see, you need to fill an application form. There is no registration fee. One thing is that you will be selected based on your application. Now click on next. Now click on I agree and click on next. Now you need to fill some basic details like first name, last name, gender, email ID, etc. Make sure that you give your email ID correctly because all the process will be taking place through the mail only. Now click on next. Again, it will ask some more basic details like academic information, institution name, type of degree, expected graduation date, etc. Once you complete these, click on next. Now comes the most important part. Based on this only, selections are made. Now, you need to answer a few questions. Again saying, your selection will be based on the answer which you give. Make sure that you give quality answer. You can either brief your answer on how you're gonna do, or else you can drop the link of the video which you created like this is how I'm gonna promote the events. Well, I set this as an example. If you don't have the link for the video which you have created, first upload your video in the Google Drive. Now copy and paste the Google Drive public link here. Now click on next. The next thing they are gonna ask you is about your social media presence like Twitter account, Instagram account, LinkedIn account, etc. Now click on next. Now this is the last step of the process, which is the additional information. Complete the additional information columns. Once you completed all the requirements, the submit button gets enabled. Now click on submit to submit your application. Once your response is submitted, you will have to wait for a few days. If you are selected, you will receive a mail from Microsoft. So that's it for today's video. If you guys like this video, make sure that you drop a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.